Welcome to another edition of Natural Crafts, where we find things in nature and make amazing crafts with them. Today we're going to do sea turtles, and I'll show you how to make other things as well. But the first thing we need to do is go out and find some driftwood. Anywhere you live along water, you'll be able to get some, and if you don't have water around you, you can always find sticks and barks and things in nature. The reason this craft is so great is you can just use simple cardboard as your backing, or even something more substantial like wood. But simply draw out your shape, make sure you trim it out, and then use your driftwood to lay it down as a sample, and then all you're doing is gluing the driftwood right to the backing. Now when you've glued it all down, you can make your second layer to fill in some of the gaps, and this is where I use some of the pieces that look a little bit more like bark to make the backing of the tortoise shell. And because driftwood is so lightweight, you can even trim it down as you need. Don't forget to cut off the excess cardboard. And then for an option to hang it, you can either use a screw-on or you can glue a hook right to the back of the cardboard. And there you have it, a wonderful wall hanging piece. Now you can do any shape, so you could create things like a lighthouse or a dolphin, or one of the things that I really like is a starburst, because you're using some of those straight pieces of driftwood. So let your imagination run wild, and don't forget to subscribe, because every season I come up with a new craft using things commonly found in nature.